They don't love you like I love you. Step down, they don't love you like I love you. My boyfriend bought this for me. So far as the palette itself, this, see my, okay, like when other people show their Jaclyn Hill palettes, it be all beat up, it be like colors panned and everything. This palette is so intimidating. It's like, I don't know, it's like you see it and you see all of these. This is like the biggest palette that I've ever had. I also bought the Morphe 3502 palette, and it looks like this, and it's just, they're gorgeous palettes. Like, I can't do Jaclyn like that. Okay. They're gorgeous palettes. Like, look at that. Look. Bruh. These are beautiful. But they're just really intimidating. And I think it's because it's 35 freaking shades. Started off with palettes like this, and it's like, you know, not that many. Started off with palettes like this, you know, where it's like, it's a few colors. You know, you got your neutrals, your colors and everything. Your light neutrals and your darks. And then when I got the Jaclyn Hill palette, I was like, I don't know what to touch first. It's like, you know, when you about to draw and then you got this blank piece of paper, you got this new sketchbook, and you're like, I don't want to mess up this paper. I don't want to mess it up. Like you do a bad drawing and then all of a sudden this whole sketchbook needs to be thrown away. That's how I felt about these palettes. Like, they're pretty. I feel like I've used the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Morphe palette a few times before, but never to the point where I'm painting items and painting shadows and everything, just because it's so many colors. It's like you have to go into these palettes knowing what you're gonna do. Today was the first time I ever like went into the palette not knowing what I was gonna do and came out with a look. And this is the first time I ever like came out with a look that I really liked. So, because originally I wanted to do like a watermelon type sunset. Those are two different things. I want to do either sunset or a watermelon, and then kind of look. And then I thought about like the ocean and everything, and I could do like or like a sunset look, because you know the sunset, like the sunrise and then the sunset, they're like two different ones. So it's like the sunset one is like purples and blues and stuff like that, and then like the sunrise one is like reds and yellows and oranges, and it's pretty. But I was thinking, well, you know, but when I looked at the palette, this corner got me. The corner. So I ended up using these two. I was going to use these two, but I was like, I don't really want to go that dark. And then I ended up doing a halo eye with like really dark colors, but I didn't really want to go that dark, so I chose these two right here. I did today. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a nice day. Bye. Oh, hope you subscribe. Bye.